Hello guys, so following up on the video I made a couple of days ago, we are going to prepare our food and make it ready for our baby's consumption. Right here we have our MJ organic baby food, and we're going to scoop out about 3 tablespoons. Oh, that was a mess. And we're going to add in some water to mix so it gets like a very smooth consistency. We want to make sure that we do not have lumps after or during cooking. And so we're going to mix carefully and mix until it is very smooth. And take note that the consistency of the food you're going to make will depend on your baby's age, as well as how well he is able to handle um, um, liquid solids. So right here we are going to add in some water and bring it to boil, and then we're going to go right in with the already mixed baby powder food. We're going to stir generously and stir and stir, and it's going to thicken up. As we're stirring, it's going to get thicker. And again, this is the consistency that my baby is comfortable with. So if you want to make it thicker, that is up to you, because some babies need their food to be really thick so they could eat and get a feel as soon as possible. But my baby is a little bit extra, so even though he's a toddler, he still eats like really soft food. So I do not make his food very thick. And after about 3 minutes of cooking, this is what we have here. And to enhance the taste, we're going to go in with our milk and our sugar. This is, well, in my country, this is one of the best milk powders you can use for baby food, so that is the option I go with. And I don't do a lot of sugar in food. Sometimes I go without sugar, but because I want my baby to be able to eat, I have to make it taste better. And here is the final product, and voila. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.